Hi everyone, I've got a BMW X6 here. We're just changing the lights on these, the fog lights basically. What we're doing is we're putting the xenon ones on. These are the ones we're putting in. If you do need a part number, I don't know if you can see it here, but you can see this number here as well, H11, that's what you need. That's what we're replacing. I'll just show you before we replace them, I'll show you the lights first. Fish the ignition on. Don't start the car up, but fish the ignition on only. Fish the lights on. Now you can see I've already done this side xenon. This is how it would look on the other side as well. So I'm going to show you how it's done now. I'm going to switch the lights off first. And now, pull this towards you gently. It's quite simple. And then on the back here there is a plug, right? So all you do with the plug, you twist it to your left, right? The way you take it out, that's how it needs to go back in. Now that's the bulb we need to replace. So you got two little clips. You take the clip out. So you push the clips in. There we go, that's out. What we're going to do, we're going to put a new one in. New bulb goes, it's only one way it goes in. Can you see that lug there? So it's only one way it could go in. Now the way I took it out, it was like this. So that's how I'm going to put it back in. Because you got these little lugs there, they're quite different from each other, yeah? So all I do is push the bulb in. And then push it down. So it sort of locks in place. Now I'm going to show you the lights now. So first switch the ignition on. Switch the lights on. Fog lights. Now you can see they look much better. So they've been upgraded to xenons now. And then the way to put this back on as well is quite simple. So you got these little lugs here. So all you do is push in. Nice and gently. Push the top bit in as well. Push the bottom bit in. That's it. Job done. You can do this yourself if you need to. But if you're not too sure, then take it to a local garage or bring it to me. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.